How to recover deleted notes on your Keep Notes. Accidentally deleted an important note? Don't worry. Here's how you can recover deleted Keep Notes on your Android phone in just a few steps. First, open the Google Keep app on your phone. Next, tap the menu icon in the top left corner to open the side menu. From the menu, tap Trash. Here, you'll find all the notes you've deleted within the last 7 days. Open the note you want to recover, then tap the three-dot menu and select Restore. Your note will be moved back to your main notes list immediately. Keep in mind that notes stay in the trash for only 7 days. After that, they're permanently deleted and can't be recovered through Google Keep. And that's all there is to it. You can now easily restore your deleted notes whenever you need them. If you found this helpful, click like, share, and subscribe for more such content.